Welcome to the Emporium Outdoors. My name is Michael, and in this video we're going to take a look at the PrincessAuto Rooftop Awning. So I've been wanting to add an awning to my overland setup for some time. I was looking at the ARB setup and a few other options, but it was very difficult to get them in stock. I did find this one at PrincessAuto that came in on sale for $120. The installation was very straightforward, just a matter of clamping it to the existing roof bars, and I had the whole thing mounted within 30 minutes. So my reasoning for wanting an awning on the side of the Jeep was to really have a place that I can pull out quickly if it's raining or snowing, and I can put some stuff underneath, a couple of chairs, I can do some cooking, and it's also going to be useful for those sunny days where I really want to get out of that strong sun and have a little oasis by the side of my Jeep so everything's close and nearby. Another major benefit with the awning attached to the side of the Jeep is I'm not taking up any internal space, and I also can't forget it, which is something I do quite often. The awning is pretty straightforward to put up, but it is easier with two people because you have to kind of stretch out the awning canvas in order to get the inner legs to fold out and lock in place. Once the upper legs are locked in place, the awning is freestanding. There are some tie-outs that come with the package, but I haven't found that I need to use them as yet. Maybe in a strong wind situation, I'd probably put them on. To install the upper support bars, there's a pin that slips through a hole, and then you extend the upper pole to lock it in position. All the poles are adjustable by twisting the two components and then locking or unlocking as desired. There are 3 Velcro fasteners down each side of the awning which lock the fabric to the poles. The pitch of the awning can be adjusted by altering the length of the legs. All that's left now is to put up a few pieces of furniture, a small table, a couple of chairs, and relax in the sunshine. Packing away the awning is equally as simple. By just reversing the steps to assemble the awning, you can put it back in the bag quickly and easily. Like any fabric product such as a tent, if you pack it away wet, I would ensure when you get home to unravel it and let it dry naturally in the sun. The storage bag that houses the awning does a good job of keeping it clean, and a quick blow over with a pressure washer when I'm washing the Jeep brings off all the dirt and the insects that get stuck to it. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the awning on the Jeep, and until next time, take care. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.